Hey, what's up guys, Hassan here. In this video today we compare three best smartphones, which is Xiaomi 13 Ultra versus Xiaomi 20s Ultra versus iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's see the full video. Display comparison, display type, display size, has resolution, screen to body ratio, aspect ratio, pixel density, always on display, refresh rate, display quality, display brightness, display protection, design comparison, body weight, body height, body width, body thickness, water resistant, SIM slot, his body colors, storage comparison, his RAM, his memory, card slot, platform comparison, his chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, rear camera comparison, rear camera megapixel, rear second camera megapixel, rear third camera megapixel, rear fourth camera megapixel, has flash, has HDR camera, has video recording, selfie camera comparison, selfie camera megapixel, has HDR camera, has video recording, connectivity comparison, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi version, GPS N1 plus L5, has Galileo, has GLONASS, has BDS, Wi-Fi Direct, has NFC, infrared port, has radio, USB connectivity, has OTG, sensor comparison, fingerprint, accelerometer, compass, proximity, barometer, color spectrum, battery comparison, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, Sound comparison has loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, features comparison, launch date, 5G network, has LTE, price comparison, has price USD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and make sure to subscribe. Gatgets compare.